Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about fun ways to use vintage bird cage in home decor. If you enjoy vintage stuff and want to make your home looks cool with old bird cage, you are in the right place. We got some easy and fun ideas for you. Before we dive into the ideas, let's talk about why vintage bird cage are cool. They are old and fancy and they can make your home look special and full of history. Let's start with birdcage plant holders. You can put plants in old birdcage and hang them up or place them on table. It's like having a little garden inside. Make your home cozy with birdcage candle holders. Put candles inside the cage and they will give you off a soft and warm light that makes your place feel zen. Use birdcage to show off your favorite things. You can put your special books, pretty figures, or vintage cups inside the cage. They will look great and stay safe. Get creative and turn birdcage into a cool light with a bit of DIY magic. You can make them into a hanging lights or table lamps that nobody else has. For weddings or parties, birdcage can add a fancy touch. Use them as centerpieces or decoration to make the event look special and a little old-fashioned. Save space by hanging birdcage planters from your ceiling or porch. It's like having a garden in the air and it's make your outdoor space looks charming. Stay organized with birdcage jewelry holders. Hang your necklace, earrings and bracelets inside the barcage. It's stylish way to keep your billing in check. Turn barcage into a wall arts. Arrange them on your wall in cool pattern to make your space looks interesting and artistic. Try some DIY projects with your bird cage. You can paint them, give them an vintage look, or repurpose them into something fun and unique. There you have it, easy and fun ways to use vintage birdcage to make your home looks awesome. Whether you are into plant holders, candle stand or showing off your stuff, old birdcage can make your home feel special. If you found these winter birdcage ideas cool, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more decoration tips.